Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry for the late video posting because I was very busy. So from now again, I'll just be back from my busy schedule to the free schedule. For sure, I'll just try to post the video frequently. And today I just came up with the important interview question, which is what's the best practices of table or table properties, whatever it is. So how to find which is a best practice, right? Like for example, what can be the best practice? Normally table name, field names, which is like which contain edit or enum, etc, etc, right? But how you're going to find out which is the best practice is missing in the table or table properties, right? So when you have created the table, and when you build the table, build means compiling the table, okay, then you will just get the warnings based on the table that you have created. Let's say, see, the here the tables field is not a member of a field group. So basically field group is also a best practice. And see, developer documentation is not specified, developer documentation is also a best practice. So field group is also best practice, label is also best practice, table cardinality is also best practice. Like that, you can be able to see what are the table best practices and just give that particular property or the field names or whatever it is according to the Microsoft suggestions. Okay, so that's how you can able to choose complete best practice. No need to just go online and check, you can directly create a table and build and just check what are the table best practices that Microsoft best practices that you can be able to see for the table. Not only table, if you can also see same thing for a form, class, reports, data entities, whatever it is. Okay, this is the simplest way that I can say. Thank you so much guys, subscribe for more videos. Bye.